Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make an easy and a tasty mango kulfi. To make this mango kulfi, I have taken 750 ml of full fat milk. Take this milk in a wide saucepan and keep the flame at medium and keep stirring the milk till it reduces to half. The more you stir the milk and reduce it, the more creamier your kulfi will be. So make sure you're patient and keep stirring it continuously for about 15 to 20 minutes till the milk reduces to half. If you don't stir this milk continuously, then a layer of skin or malai will form on top of this milk, so keep stirring continuously. After about 20 minutes, when the milk has reduced well, then add the condensed milk. I'm using condensed milk because this makes the kulfi more creamy. But if you don't have condensed milk, then you can add the same amount of sugar also. Continue to mix this milk and condensed milk for 5 more minutes and then switch off the flame and remove the saucepan from the heat. Now we need to allow this milk mixture to cool down a little bit. As it's cooling down, continue to stir it often because otherwise the layer of skin will form on top and we don't want that. So keep stirring now and then so that malai layer doesn't form. After the milk mixture has cooled down, then we can add the mango puree. Today we are going to make a very creamy kulfi, and also this kulfi is going to be so rich and intense in mango flavor. So first add 1 cup of mango puree and then mix this well till it's well combined. Then I added another 3/4 cup of mango puree. You can add 2 cups of mango puree if you want. Add the puree in and then combine it all together till it makes a smooth mixture like this. To flavor this mango kulfi, I'm going to add some cardamom powder. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you don't have cardamom powder, then you can add the whole cardamom also. Just remove the skin and add the inside part of the cardamom. Mix it all together and our mango kulfi is done. You can pour this kulfi in popsicle molds like this, or if you have these small matkas, you can use this also. If you don't have either one of this, you can pour this kulfi in paper cups or tumblers also. To this mango kulfi, you can also add some chopped pistachios or almonds. But my kids don't like nuts, so I haven't added any nuts. To cover this popsicle mold, you can use the popsicle stick that comes with the mold, or you can use these ice cream sticks also. If you're using the ice cream stick, then cover the popsicle mold with an aluminium foil or a butter paper and then put the sticks inside. Now leave this in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours for this kulfi to set well. This is the next day. My kulfi is perfectly well set. To remove the kulfi from the popsicle mold, you can show the popsicle mold under tap water, or you can just leave it out for 5 minutes and it will be very easy to remove it from the mold. So this is it, a very easy and simple, intensely mango flavored mango kulfi is ready. This kulfi is so creamy and tasty. Since we cooked the milk for so long and reduced it so well, the resulting kulfi is very tasty and creamy. It is also intensely mango flavored because we've added a lot of mango puree. The mango flavor is very intense and very prominent. During this summer season and during this mango season, do try out this easy and simple mango kulfi. Kids will definitely love it. My kids were waiting to have this kulfi. This is one of the easiest kulfi recipes. It is made with very simple ingredients that you will find at home. So this summer, do try out this easy mango kulfi recipe. Until next time, bye bye.